The return to school process can certainly be challenging, but there are ways to navigate that easily. If you return to school and you find that you're having trouble with concentration or mental focus or memory, I would definitely recommend that you get with your primary care physician, or in the respect that you're a student athlete, get with your athletic trainer or even the school nurse. And there are things that are called academic accommodations that can be implemented temporarily. Those are quite variable, but that can range from having extra time to complete tasks, potentially, and temporarily postponing tests. And in some more severe cases, even asking for part-time school attendance for a very brief period of time. But again, there are ways to navigate those difficulties, and sometimes that is needed.